for another physics experiment. Now we are going to learn about the Newton's third law of motion. Guys, we already learned the first law and the second law, and we know that Newton gave 3 laws of motion. Here we are, me and my buddy, to show an experiment which demonstrates the Newton's third law of motion. So let's get started with that. But let me give you an introduction for that. Newton's third law states that to every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. So this is in our daily life. Suppose we are walking. When we are walking, we tend to apply force on the ground, and the ground pushes us, and then we tend to move forward. And similarly, it happens in all the forces which we see. We have many examples of Newton's third law of motion, and now I'm just trying to show you another example. Here, me and my buddy are with a bat and a ball to show a daily example which we all experience. Let's get started. And the ball can move. So guys, we saw that the batsman hit the ball with a bat. Now, let us see what we just saw. We saw that the batsman used his arms to hit the ball with his bat. And that bat, this was the bat, guys. These two are two different objects. And as we learned, that two different objects attract each other always. But there's one condition. Here the mass of the bat is much more than the mass of the ball. So the reaction force are definitely equal, but the force exerted is not equal to enough to move the bat. But if the ball is thrown at an extreme pace, the bat even tends to move. That's what we see when the cricketers play. There is a huge pace there of the ball, and the bat generally tends to even break. So that's what the Newton's third law of motion is. When we hit the ball, there is an action force which is applied by the bat on the ball, and there is a reaction force which is applied by the ball on the bat. Both are equal and both are opposite, and both act on different surfaces. So this is the third law of motion, guys. I'll be soon with another video. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.